How to transfer the money from your PayPal account to your bank account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. Before this, make sure that you have installed the latest version of PayPal on your device. If there is any update option available here, then do update it. If not, then you can simply open it, log in to your account of PayPal. Also make sure you have added the credit card on your PayPal account. Only then will you be able to transfer or receive the money on your PayPal and send it to your bank accounts or other bank accounts. So after adding the credit cards here, then you will see the very option of send money on the payments. When you see the very send money, tap on send money to the bank, and when you tap on the very option of send money to the banks, you need to add your bank credentials, or you can simply scan it as well. And when you do that, you can just choose the amount that you want to transfer, and you can simply tap on the send option and verify it, or just tap on the password and tap on the done option, and you have successfully transferred your money from your PayPal account to the bank account. So that's how you can simply do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.